I'd like to take a minute just to introduce the Apazone's price action failure. It is an indicator that I've been working with for several years now, and it is absolutely amazing what it does for us. Okay, one of the things that I've found with reading price action is we need to say when has price failed to do something, and failure is a huge key in the markets as to what's going to happen next. When has price failed to break down below? Price has failed to break this pivot when this little green line plots for us. It is the first indication, it is the first line in the sand that price has failed to do something, hence the name price action failure, and that the opposite must be true. So as you can see, price has plotted the little green line, and as soon as price closes above this point, you can see price accelerate to the upside here. If we look at where price currently is, you can see that we plotted the line in the sand down here. And as soon as price closes below this point, I would expect to see acceleration and fast price movement to the downside, okay? Because price has failed to go higher. This is a small insight as to the power of the price action failure indicator. With the price action failure indicator, it helps us confirm when price has failed to do something, or it helps us confirm a zone. If we have a zone down here and price fails to break the zone and goes above this line in the sand, then we can expect to see price to go up from there, or vice versa. If we're in a zone up here and price goes below this and closes below this point, then I would expect to see acceleration to the downside. Now, you may ask the question, what about this line over here? What's going on with this one? Well, price drew the line in the sand there, but obviously we came nowhere close to closing below it. So that is a price action failure that didn't happen because the movement was to the upside. So we don't really do anything with that one right there, okay? But when it's at the top or the bottom, a lot of times this is wonderful confirmation that price has failed to break higher or lower, and we can expect to see follow through